What's up with it, world? It's your boy Cash Up Ken. We back at it again. Sure, I go tell a couple friends. Spark one and pour a cup of gin. Today, man, we finna talk about how to get paid as a rapper, as an artist, as an independent artist. So you ready? You got your product packaged. It's complete. You ready? You ready to ship it out? First of all, congratulations. Kudos to you. Give yourself a hand clap. And now you ready to get paid. How do you get paid? Well, we're about to solve that right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for a PRO. A PRO. Get you a performing rights. Sign up to a PRO, a performing rights organization. You know what I'm saying? That's ASCAP. That's BMI. It's a lot of them out there. It's a couple of them out there. Me personally, I like BMI. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Once you sign up, you can upload your music there. All your content, you upload it to whatever PRO you choose. Now your content is covered. You can get paid. You know what I'm saying? You can copyright it if you want to. Too. You can go to copyright.gov and copyright your music too. Or you could just do it, have it the Poe Man copyright style, meaning once it's tangible, recorded, that is the copyright. So you don't really need that, but you can if you want. You know what I'm saying? So once you sign up to this PRO, you uploaded your music to your PRO. You know what I'm saying? Now you need distribution. You need digital distribution. You need somebody, you know what I'm saying, to distribute your music on every platform. Kind of like when you walk into like a Nike store. When you go into a Nike store, you got Puma there, you got Reebok, you got all these products, you know what I'm saying, at the store for the consumer to walk in and get it. And that's what you want. You want digital distribution so your product can be on the shelf with all these other products for purchase. That's distribution, digital distribution. You know what I'm saying? We're going the independent route. Boom. Because you can sign up for any digital distribution you want. You know what I'm saying? You can go with a DistroKid. You can go with a CD Baby. You go with a TuneCore. You can go to Songtrust. It's many of them out there. Once you got your digital distribution, you signed up to whatever distribution you want, there you with it though. Because they go distribute your music to all platforms. And now, you ready to get paid for streaming. You ready to get paid for your royalties for your music. You know what I mean? And before I go there, your digital distribution gonna pay you. I think it's the 15th. The 15th of every month. But they gonna pay you for your downloads. They gonna pay you for your music, for your downloads, for your streams. But here's the thing. It's 3 royalties that you get with a recording. On each recording, there's 3 royalties you get. And those 3 royalties is the master recording. You got your performing rights royalties. And then you got your mechanical royalties. You know what I mean? And these streaming services, they can't collect your mechanical royalties. So you need someone else to collect your mechanical royalties. You know what I mean? For them to distribute that to your PRO, and for your PRO to give it to you, or your publisher or your record company. And there's many of them out there. And one of these companies to collect your mechanical royalties for your digital distribution is Harry Fox Agency. You got Audium. We got Songtrust. We got many of them out there. And once you do that, you got those 3 things in play, you in business. Because now you're gonna collect royalties from your PRO, your performing rights organization that you signed up to. You're gonna collect royalties from them when they pay out. You're gonna collect royalties from your digital distribution every month, every 15th, or whatever date they got set out. You're gonna collect for your streams, your downloads, and then once you hire a digital distribution administrator, or you can call it a digital administrator, someone to administrate, you know what I'm saying, your digital distribution company that you signed up to. And basically, I don't even want to put it like that. They just gonna collect your mechanical royalties because it's 3 of them. You want to get all 3 of them. Once you sign up to like Audium, Harry Fox Agency, you in the dough. PRO, Digital Distribution Administration. And all those 3 gonna communicate with your PRO, and you in the dough. And that's how you gonna get paid from your music. So you get paid royalties from your music. So you got all them hits, you got all them views. It's like having all the people in the building. You got all these people together in the building, but you can't build them. And that's a horrible feeling, to be looking at 1 million, 13,000, or however many views or subscribers you got, but you can't build them. And that's the same as having fame with no money. Everybody know your name, but you ain't got the money that go with it. No good. Fuck fame, we want money. So that's how you get paid. This is how you build them. You done done your business, handle your business. So I ain't gonna be long-winded. Just gonna put this in your spirit. PRO, the digital distribution, and your distribution administration. You want to collect your 3 types of royalties for your music. Master recording royalties, performing rights royalties, and your mechanical royalties. Handle your business, and that's how you get paid as an independent artist. And I'm gonna see you on top. Cash up, Ken.